Mr. Palacios, you've been to Poland 2 times, you lost twice, third time lucky.
First of all, I want to thank God for giving me the opportunity to come back home because, you know what I mean, I consider this like my second home. I love fighting here. I love being here. Everybody treats me very well, treats me with open arms, and I'm just happy to be here.
What do you expect from Michał Cieślak? He's not much experienced as you, but he's a powerful guy.
Well, I mean, everybody got power in this division, especially in this division, and we're almost close to the heavyweight division. So, I mean, it really don't mean nothing. I'm ready for anything he brings me. My training camp was excellent. Had very good sparring partners. Great training camp. Just, I can't ask for anything best.
Experience will be the factor for you.
And I'm just gonna rely on what I know how to do best, and that's it. And if they think there's gonna be an easy night for them, good. Let them believe that.
Have you seen Michał Cieślak fight?
Clips. I've just seen clips. I haven't really seen him fight. I hear he's a good, big, strong kid. It's all right. I'm big, strong too.
What's your prediction for the fight?
I'm gonna win, regardless of distance or knockout. I'm gonna win. I'm ready. I came here to win. I'm not gonna leave it in the judges' hands. I'm just gonna do my job. I'm follow my game plan that we got set up and go from there.
Could you please invite Polish fans for the fight?
Most definitely. I want to invite everybody to come see Wizard Time, April 2nd. It's a very, very, very special night. It's the same night that I fought Diablo the first time, and the same night my son was born. And it's going to be my second time fighting here on that same date. So it's going to be really, really good, very exciting. It's going to be Wizard Time. Everybody knows what happened in that first fight with Diablo. So expect that and better.